Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to show how we can use Cashfree to get certain information that is very crucial in KYC or in a development where you need to verify that person or that company or their registrations. And here comes with the Cashfree APIs that are really helpful. So I was going through this and I was finding something for the GST, and I find out that they are providing this with this GST platform where you can verify GST as well. So how we can do this? In my previous video I have shown you how we can make the payments. Now you are going to verify that person using this APIs. So as usual, you have to log into your panel, go to the developer, switch to the developer mode, and then on the settings you will find the secure ID, where there are two things. The first one is the API key. So I have created one API key definitely, and the second thing is the two-factor authentication. So before you can get information about your database and everything, so you need a two-factor authentication, like whitelisting your IP address. That are the two things that you need, and this is not the subscription or payout API key. This is a secure ID API key. So there is a difference between these two. Payout is required for the payments, but secure ID is required for information verification. So what do we get exactly? So I have a simple Node.js Express app running over here. You know, I always do with the simple things. So I would go to the API part and let's see what we have. So first, the GST verification. If you send the request goes and you can see the entire GST details has been available for this company, right? So if you go into the code, the first API is GST verification. So we are requesting the things, my client ID, my secret key. Obviously this is the demo given by the Cashfree itself, so you can use this to get the response. So if you are verifying your business or any business on your Slash platform or any kind of thing, and they have a GST registration, then you can use this API to verify that company. This is the first one. The second one is the PAN GST verification. So if that company has a GST and a PAN registered and they are both linked to this, then you can use this API to get the information. So you can see all the informations are been getting here. In this API you can see there is a verification ID. This verification ID is actually the ID which is going dynamically from your side for a unique request. And how I generate it? I generate it with this function. Exactly, very simple function. You can do prefix, you can do suffix, whatever you want, but it is a verification ID that you are going to go. So PAN number is also a dummy PAN number that has been given. Now after that, the CIN verification. This is very important. This is coming in a lot of this application these days. CIN number, the company registration number that is given by the central government. So if you click on this, you can get exact information of that company and how you can verify this. These are very useful APIs, because in a SaaS-based platform where you are building things out, you can verify a lot of companies on basis of this kind of request and this kind of information. Otherwise, now obviously bigger companies like bigger platforms also do this kind of APIs integration into their platforms as well. Okay, so the CIN verification. And the last one is one of the most important and most useful, right, is the PAN verification. It's very simple. The PAN number, verification name, verification ID is the same. You generate a unique ID with this function and that data will come. So let's see how this PAN verification work. Click on this. So if somebody gives a PAN number, you immediately knows that the PAN number is a invalid PAN number. that person cannot be exist or invalid. Okay, so these are the 4 APIs that are very useful to verify business and person, or KYC, what we call, in the web development or in your SaaS based platform. You can also get the details from this documentation, where you can go into this and view the docs, and I have viewed. So you can see biometric, there are digital Aadhaar is there, video KYC is there. So a lot of things is going on over this, and you can do this integration onto your system. This is a very beautiful thing that we required in these modern days, and I'm glad I can share with you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you do like my videos, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.